In this video, I will explain the BackTester and how it will help you trade more efficiently. The markets tend to react in similar patterns. That is the reason traders must do very intense analysis before each trade. But there are two ways you can do analysis. The first way is the hard way. You can print out charts constantly and be looking at the markets to see what has happened in similar situations. This is all very time consuming and it's very hard to get the accurate analysis in real time. Also, the patterns in the markets change all the time. Secondly, you have the smart way. The smart way is to use the most advanced technology available. That's what we did by creating the backtester. The backtester gives the traders the ability to see the patterns of the markets in real time and get a snapshot of the market's reactions in similar situations of any trade idea or economic event. This all happens with one click and in real time. All it takes is a single click to get results. And this is the icon that you will use to, anytime you see this icon, that is the backtester icon. Now, you also have a trigger for every trade idea. So this trade idea was triggered by, it was detected after West Texas oil moves up 1% in the last 30 minutes. So that was a trigger for this trade. Also, you have it here, it says 8 out of 9 times. What does that mean? That means 8 out of 9 times when this situation happened, it reached its profit target. One time, it reached its stop loss. Next, you have the ability to review previous trades. So reviewing previous trades is very helpful to see how exactly the market reacted in similar situations and how this trade idea was formulated in the past. Put simply, previous trade ideas show exactly how the market reacted to the same trigger that we see right now. And next, you have combined results. Combined results gives you one clear picture of how everything came together in this trade previously, which is extremely powerful for our traders to see. So let's go to a trade that is happening now. So here we have, you click on the back, we're going to look at this trade. We're going to click on the backtester icon right here. Now it takes a moment to load because these are charts happening in real time and it's always updating. So it takes a minute to load, but it's worth it. So on the top left-hand side is the trigger, right? So this was a price-driven trade idea. This trade idea was detected after analysis of previous British pounds versus Japanese yen, 5 consecutive green candles, right? So after this was detected, here is what we have. So on the right-hand side, you have the trade ideas and the related markets. So this trade idea, 7 out of 9 times, 78% of the time, US dollar versus Japanese yen moved up following this similar release. Okay, so let's explain these trade ideas. So here we have the trade idea that was open over here. We see the success rate, right? We see 7 out of 9 times it won and 78%. Over here you have the correlated markets, right, which could potentially be a trade idea. However, just because it's a correlated market, and you would think it's a good choice to trade in, right? However, since there are no statistics for this trade, either to trade long or short, now you know this would not be a good instrument to trade, right? Because the backtester tells you there's no statistics backing up this trade. Only with the backtester can you see clearly exactly which correlated markets to trade in for any specific trigger. You may think this would be a good trade. However, no, the backtester says it's not. Over here, another point over here is you have the quality of the trade, right? So how do we formulate our trades? So our trades, we want to provide trade ideas that are both profitable and also have very low risk. So this is a pretty good trade. This shows that it's 3 out of 5, so it's profitable and the risk is not so bad. This is the average for all of these previous trades. This is the average. Here you have specific quality of the trade, specific, and here is the average of all of them. Now I'm going to show you how to plan ahead while looking at the charts, right? So here are the charts for the previous trades, right? 7 out of 9 times. 7 out of 9 times that this happened. So we can see over here that you can look at the time. So after about 15 minutes, the market split. So either it went up or it went down. So now that you see these charts, that if the market starts going down, you probably want to pull out before it goes even more down. But if this market starts going up, you see from here that the market tends to continue going up till it reaches its profit target. Next, we have the gear icons. Over here, everything is customizable here. So let's say I'm going to go over here. I'm going to switch this to the real-time chart. Right, I customize that. And here I will switch to synthetic chart. And here I'm going to go and switch it to previous trades. So everything is customizable, right? You may want to see this in big, or this in big, or this in small. Whatever you want is customizable. So these are the previous trades. So we can see where it won, right? It went up steadily, right? You can see that. You can see this previous trade, how long it took, exactly what happened. Also, you can see the loss. You can see where the market tended to go off. On the bottom, you have sessions and trade distribution. What this shows you is exact times that this trade is profitable. The trade works, right? Here are times of the day. So we only show trades that are profitable for certain times of the day, right? So here we see that it's profitable, so we show it. If it's not profitable, we won't show it. Here, we don't know if it's going to be profitable or not, so we're going to keep it. And if it goes profitable, we'll continue showing it for this time. If it doesn't, we'll take it out. So the bottom line is that everything here is customizable. And to sum it all up, right, the BackTester is a powerful tool for any trader who is looking to develop and refine their trading strategy, as well as for traders who want to be able to predict how the market will react to specific economic events. Armed with the unparalleled analytics it provides, you can be confident trading economic events and price actions. The BackTester works hard for you so you can work smart and come out successful.